Welcome to the Fiber-Optic iBlink sensor operating procedure video. Before you begin using the power control module with the proximity sensor, it is recommended that you fully charge the power control module. This could take up to 4 hours to fully charge. To charge the power control module, plug in the end of the charging adapter cable that comes with the power control module with the round 2.5mm plug into the charging jack on the power control module. Plug the other end of the charging adapter into an AC outlet. The charging LED on the power control module will turn on and it should show red. When the charging LED on the power control module turns green, the power control module is fully charged and ready to use. Check the end of the fiber optic cable before inserting it into the connector of the power control module. If the ends of the cable are not cut clean or are frayed, you will need to cut them with the cable cutter provided. To cut the ends of the cable, lift the top end of the cutter so that the blades are not covering the holes. Insert one end of the fiber optic cable into the last hole until you can see the end of the cable on the back of the cutter. Press down on the top of the cutter completely and repeat this with the other cable. Connect the fiber optic cable into the power control module connector. Slide the connector cover to the left to open the holes of the connector. Insert both ends of the cable into the connector and slide the connector cover to the right to close the connector and to secure the cable firmly. Plug the patch cable that comes with the power control module into the output jack labeled switch output and the other end of the cable into the device that you want to control with the sensor switch. Connect the fiber optic iBlink sensor and the plastic clip by removing the first nut on the sensor and then inserting the sensor into the hole of the plastic clip. Replace the nut onto the sensor to hold it in place. Turn the power control module on by setting the rocker switch to either on with tone or on no tone. With the switch set to on with tone, a beep will be heard from the power control module each time the sensor is activated. With the switch set to on no tone will be heard when the sensor is activated. Set the iBlink delay to either on or off. With the blink delay on, only a blink that is held down for more than 2 seconds will activate the sensor. With the blink delay off, all blinks will activate the sensor. Adjust the fiber optic sensor on the user by placing the head strap with the fiber optic sensor onto the user so that the red beam from the sensor is seen on the white part of the eye on the side of the eye. Using the adjusting nuts, move the sensor closer to the eye while the eye is opened until the sensor is activated, and then back it off slightly. Secure the nut so the sensor is locked in place.